Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange reported a mixed bag of financial results in this quarter. Radio Jamaica Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ending September 30, 2025 reports 6 months net loss of $259.96 million. Phosphorus Company Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025 booked a 9-month net loss of $433.62 million. Lasco Distributors Limited unaudited financial results for the 6 months ending September 30, 2025 reports 6 months net profit of $579.68 million. Minister of State Delano Seavright says the government is moving decisively to address the needs of micro and small businesses severely impacted by Hurricane Melissa. He noted that Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator Aubin Hill, have already issued directives and convened meetings to craft immediate strategies that will help small enterprises resume operations. Minister Seavright emphasized that the government, in collaboration with private partners, aid agencies, and civil society, is working on several fronts simultaneously: restoring electricity, water, and telecommunications, clearing blocked roads, supporting hospitals and health centers, and ensuring that relief supplies reach affected communities. The Small Business Association of Jamaica is calling for an urgent meeting with the Jamaica Bankers Association to discuss measures to support small businesses struggling in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Denise Williams, the association's second vice president, is urging members to document and photograph the damage to their properties and present the evidence to their banks when seeking assistance. She noted that many small business operators will see their credit ratings deteriorate as the hurricane's impact has affected their ability to service existing loans. Meanwhile, SBAJ President Garnet Reid has called for a 6-month freeze on debt service payments to financial institutions, a rollback of the recent ATM fee increases, a temporary reduction in import duties on agricultural produce, and a rebate from the Jamaica Public Service for MSMEs that suffered power outages during the storm. For the trading period ending November 10, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company Limited with 4,921,835 units, representing 31.36% of market sales volume. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 1,626,574 units, representing 10.36% of market sales volume. Omni Industries Limited with 1,090,493 units, representing 6.95% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On November 10, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $74.48 million purchased and US $64.70 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.03 per dollar, selling the US at $159.88 and buying the US at $160.91. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.87 per transaction, with selling at $114.74 and buying at $112.87. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.05 in profits, with selling at $209.09 and buying at $208.04. For the credit report tip of the day, your credit isn't just a number. It's the key to accessing funding, growing your business, and taking control of your financial future. When disaster strikes, your credit report is your roadmap to recovery. Life can throw sudden challenges, hurricanes, medical emergencies, or income loss. But your credit report isn't just a number. It's a tool to regain control fast. Here's how to use it strategically. Access your report, check for errors, list your debts, contact your creditors, access available credit, leverage aid, plan payments strategically, create a recovery timeline, monitor your credit, and seek professional guidance. Your credit report is more than just a snapshot. It's your recovery roadmap. Take control today and turn disaster into your comeback. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.